Here's how to make this delicious broccoli and cauliflower soup in a matter of minutes using the Justme soup maker. All you need is some potato, cauliflower, white onion, broccoli and half of one of these Knorr stock pots. Chop up your pieces nice and small and then pile them into the machine. Half of one of these stock pots makes 200 millilitres of stock. Pour it into the machine and select the smooth function. The programme takes 19 minutes to cook and blend your soup to a gorgeous smooth consistency. The health benefits of this soup are amazing. It's packed with fibre and it's anti-inflammatory. You can really taste the goodness. The best part is this machine is self-cleaning afterwards. Sparkling. This soup maker is available in 2 colours on our website and also at Amazon.